Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to clean the barrel of my Ruger MK4 by Umarex. I've had it about, not too sure, 2 to 3 weeks, and I've put at least 800 rounds through it, and it's time to clean the barrel. Right, so what we're going to do first is I use these things here. They're basically filters for roll-ups, and they're quite handy actually, because as I said in my other videos, you can really manipulate them to be quite thick or thin, you know. So this is going to be the first time I clean the Ruger, as I've had it 2 to 3 weeks. Really enjoyed shooting it. So first thing we need to do is cock it, and let's manipulate the filter so it fits. Not too much, there needs to be a little bit of resistance just to clean the barrel. Let's see if that fits in there. Yep, that would do. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is use this kind of rod thing. I just found it in the garage. It's got a little hole in there for some reason. Anyway, let's push it through. A bit of resistance. Oh yeah, look at that. That is filthy. I can bring this up a bit. Wow. That is really, really filthy. It's very oily for some reason. Okay, let's try it now. Nope, a bit more. That will do. Push the rod through again. See if I can do it this way, so the autofocus doesn't go mad. Do it this way. No, it's still dirty. Wow, look at that. So another one. Put that through. Okay, still dirty, not as bad as the first one. That's the first one, that's the second, and that's the third. Still a little bit. Even the rod is getting a bit dirty. Okay, so that's 3 filters we've used so far. Always in the middle so it doesn't scratch the barrel. Yeah, okay, that's quite clean. That will do. Right, so what I'll do after this video is put a pellet in and go and shoot it, because apparently you shouldn't shoot it dry fired without any pellets, and you shouldn't leave it cocked because it might put pressure on the mechanism. So the other thing I do, I put a bit of grease here where this bit here meets this. I've noticed that the paint has come off, and so this is just to reduce the wear. And the other thing is, what I'm going to do now is put a bit of like machine oil, thin machine oil, and what I do is put a drop in here, drop in there, not too much on that side. Let it soak in. Drop on the other side just a little bit here. Actually, you can put some on this side, on here as well. One side, a bit too much again. And the other side, edges wear really. And some in here. I've put already some in there. I just wipe off the excess. Careful not to wipe off the grease. You could do that last, really. I'm just using normal, you know, grease, nothing special there. Clean it away. And I've put a bit of oil there as well, because this goes in and out and maybe hits this. Yeah. And that's it really. I mean, it doesn't take long to do. And hopefully it will prolong the life of this gun, because I love it. I think it's fantastic. So that's it for today. Hopefully you like the video. Please like, comment and share. Until next time, thanks for watching. Goodbye.